Okay, we'd like to offer this superb product. This is a Neff full-size oven. It's 71 litres. It's the B64FT53G0B. It has the graphite trims, the small graphite handle, the full-size TFT, and this product has 22 cooking functions, including full steam. So on the Neffs, there's a tank behind the control panel, which you fill with water. So that means if it runs out during the cook cycle, you can remove it, refill it, without having to open the door. So full steam, added steam, and also the slide and hide. Obviously a key feature for Neff, but this gives you slide and hide, easy access to the oven. Comes with all the steam trays that you'll need. Superb value for money at the moment. We have some left in stock and we are going to be selling them for £1,499, which is super competitive.